Welcome to KittyTube channel. Today we will learn about how to read words. Two-letter words. Now we were going to learn about two-letter words. Two-letter words have only two alphabets or two letters. A-N, an. A-N, an. A-T, at. A-T, at. A-S, as. A-S, as. A-M, am. A-M, am. B-E, B. B-E, B. B-Y, by. B-Y, by. D-O, do. D-O, do. G-O, go. G-O, go. H-E, he. H-E, he. H-I, hi. H-I, hi. I-F, if. I-F, if. I-N, in. I-N, in. I-S, is. I-S, is. I-T, it. I-T, it. M-E, me. M-E, me. M-Y, my. M-Y, my. G-O, go. G-O, go. N-O, no. N-O, no. O-F, off. O-F, off. O-R, or. O-R, or. O-N, on. O-N, on. S-O, so. S-O, so. T-O, to. T-O, to. U-S, us. U-S, us. U-P, up. U-P, up. W-E, we. W-E, we. Three-letter words. Now we are going to learn about three-letter words. Three-letter words have three alphabets or three letters. A-I-R, ear. A-I-R, ear. A-G-E, age. A-G-E, age. A-D-D, add. A-D-D, add. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. D-R-Y, dry. D-R-Y, dry. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. G-U-N, gun. G-U-N, gun. G-O-D, God. G-O-D, God. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. I-N-K, ink. I-N-K, ink. J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. J-O-Y, joy. J-O-Y, joy. K-E-Y, key. K-E-Y, key. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. M-U-G, mug. M-U-G, mug. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. N-O-W, now. N-O-W, now. O-L-D, old. O-L-D, old. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. P-U-T, put. P-U-T, put. R-U-B, rub. R-U-B, rub. R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. S-A-T, sat. S-A-T, sat. S-K-Y, sky. S-K-Y, sky. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. T-O-Y, toy. T-O-Y, toy. U-S-E, use. U-S-E, use. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. W-A-S, was. W-A-S, was. W-H-O, who. W-H-O, who. W-H-Y, why. W-H-Y, why. W-I-N, win. W-I-N, win. Y-E-S, yes. Y-E-S, yes. Y-O-U, you. Y-O-U, you. Z-O-O, zoo. Z-O-O, zoo. 4-letter words. Now we are going to learn about 4-letter words. 4-letter words have 4 alphabets or 4 letters. Also, A-L-S-O, also. A-R-M-Y, army. A-U-N-T, aunt. B-A-B-Y, baby. B-A-C-K, back. B-A-L-L, ball. B-A-N-K, bank. B-A-T-H, bath. C-A-K-E, cake. C-A-R-E, care. C-O-I-N, coin. D-W-P, dip. D-A-T-E, date. desk, desk. eyes, eyes. exam, exam. fall, fall. fill, fill. game, game. glow, glow. half, half. heat, heat. high, high. inch, inch. jok, joke. kick, kick. kite, kite. lamp, lamp. meal, meal. milk, milk. name, name. news, news. obey, obey. poem, poem. quiz, quiz. quit, quit. rac, race. rich, rich. ride, ride. rain, rain. road, road. sing, sing. safe, safe. sent, sent. soil, soil. tank, tank. then, then. time, time. wod, wood. word, word. zero, zero. 5-letter words. Now we are going to learn about 5-letter words. 5-letter words have 5 alphabet or 5 letters. above, above. about, about. adult, adult. beach, beach. bread, bread. candy, candy. carry, carry. daily, daily. dairy, diary. elder, elder. fancy, fancy. float, float. giant, giant. happy, happy. hotel, hotel. image, image. jelly, jelly. knock, knock. laughh, laugh. learn, learn. M-A-D-A-M, madam. M-O-N-E-Y, money. M-A-N-G-O, mango. N-O-I-S-E, noise. N-O-B-L-E, Nobel. O-F-F-E-R, offer. O-R-G-A-N, organ. P-A-I-N-T, paint. P-E-A-C-E, peace. Q-U-I-C-K, quick. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. R-E-A-C-H, rich. R-E-A-D-Y, ready. R-O-U-N-D, round. R-O-U-G-H, rough. S-C-A-R-E, scale. S-H-A-D-E, shed. S-H-I-F-T, shift. S-T-A-T-E, state. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. T-A-S-T-E, test. T-E-A-C-H, teach. T-H-I-C-K, thick. U-N-T-E-R, under. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. V-A-L-U-E, value. V-I-S-I-T, visit. W-O-M-A-N, omen. W-H-E-E-L, will. X-E-R-O-X, Xerox. Y-O-U-N-G, young. J-D-B-R-A, zebra. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos.